Hi everyone, in this video we present our paper, which is a TU Delft project in collaboration with the Royal Schiphol Group. In organizations, automation technologies are currently permeating the workplace since they are expected to bring many benefits to the transformation of manual work. However, despite the implementation efforts carried out, sustained adoption of automation within daily operations is a problem for organizations. To study this problem, in this work we set the focus on the role of practitioners who work on automation innovation, since little prior SIGCHI research takes a broader view to study the intricacies of automation adoption within organizations and their innovation paths. We propose the following question: what are adoption challenges as experienced by practitioners who are responsible for the implementation of automation in organizations? We present a case study at Amsterdam Airport Schiphol, an international airport that is aiming to facilitate a responsible transition to the automation of its airside processes. A variety of automation projects are taking place, including autonomous vehicles, robotic devices, or autonomous passenger boarding bridges. We conducted semi-structured interviews with 8 practitioners from the airport who had participated in those projects, including innovation managers, project managers, technical experts, system owners or procurement. The interviews were recorded, transcribed, and analyzed through a reflexive thematic analysis approach. We identified 3 main challenges encountered by the practitioners in their involvement in automation projects. First, a lack of consensus among the actors involved in automation projects was identified as a challenge hindering automation adoption. Every automation project is located in a multi-stakeholder environment, including the airport, operators, air traffic authorities, airlines or ground handlers. As such, we found that some parties were involved too late in the implementation timeline of automation projects. Second, participants mentioned that the integration of the technology was harder than initially expected. The tight operational environment of the airport, the need to adapt supplier technologies to the specific requirements of the context, or the regulatory barriers of the airside complicated their initial plug-and-play aspiration. Third, once the pilot tests are successful, an additional challenge lies in making autonomous processes become part of the daily operations. This transformation would require, for instance, designing new services, rethinking some of the current operations or the standards associated, or defining new human roles. In summary, our findings are in line with a need for a responsible automation policy that consolidates the needs of the actors involved, societal, economic and legal procedures, and ethical concerns within organizations. Thank you all for your attention, and feel free to read our paper or reach out in case you have questions.